Out there with that dog, pick him off. You gotta take his collar off, Wayne.
Yeah.
We said no collar.
He definitely thought about it. He was like, oh.
And me, I guess my ass on the 12.
I give you dinner too.
What was the bet, Rick? Did he couldn't out him?
Yeah. He said, because we're talking about doing sport work, and he wants to do this dog in a sport.
Okay.
And I said, are you going to be able to give corrections in that sport? Because if the decoy skeeves your dog and pisses him off, you're not going to be able to out him. And he said, I can out my dog. So that's where it deteriorated.
If he does PSA, they used to be able to give you 3 commands. But that was in 2005. I don't know if that's changed.
Oh, he's taking out the collar?
Yeah.
It's not looking good.
Nope.
He's technically within the range for ring sport. He's within a meter.
A meter's 39
I was
inches.
gonna say, yeah, what meter are you talking about? Ooh, very cautious. He's like, I'm gonna get your ass now.
I got the dinner, I got the hotel, I got the job.
Okay. We need to know what the deal is here, because everything's changing.
Stop fighting my dog. What?
Now, is the decoy supposed to out him, Rick?
Huh?
Is the decoy supposed to out him? Okay.
That's 1.
Ah!
2.
All right.
Oh. Get away from my dog. You're ready. Ah!
Run away. Run away.
Just run.
Supposed to make him miss completely and fall on his face, Stefan.
Rico.
Man, I like your bets. Everything changes.